Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Maya tutorial. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to create 3D fire burning animation with the help of Maya, Photoshop and After Effects. Our final result will be just like this one or this one. So let's get started. Take a polygon cube, type wide and depth 3, translate y type -0.5. Go to modeling toolkit, select this face, go to select, click inverse, press delete. Now go to object mode, press Ctrl+D to duplicate and move the face here. Select these two faces, press Ctrl+D to duplicate and move them here. Again press Ctrl+D to duplicate, move this one here, Ctrl+D to duplicate and move this one here. Now select all of them, go to mesh, click combine, edit, delete by type, delete history and rename this one as fire emitter. Now go to UV, click UV editor, minimize this one, select UV from the modeling toolkit, select this UV and move this one here. Select this UV, this one here, select and move them as shown. Now select all the UVs and move them here. Select your scale tool and scale them slightly. Move them here. Go to image, click UV snapshot, edit, reset the setting, deselect anti-alias line and rename this one as snapfire. Click save. Image format, select PNG or JPEG, anyone you like. Click apply and close. Now open your Adobe Photoshop, go to file, open and select your snapfire, click open and lock this layer. Click here to create a new layer. Select your paint bucket tool, your brush tool and select black color and fill this one and draw as down here. Now take another layer, move this layer here above your lock layer or UV layer. Click on this icon, this will turn your foreground color into white color. Increase the size to 90. Now save this one. Rename this one as texture. Save as JPEG. Click OK. Again open your Maya. Go to object mode and save your scene. Now change modeling menu to FX menu. Go to fluid, 3D container. Click on the option box, edit, reset the setting, deselect emitter, click apply and close, move the emitter up. Now select the fire emitter, shift select your fluid, again go to fluid, add edit content, open emit from object option, edit, reset the setting, click apply and close. Now click play and see the effect. See, Increase the frame to 250. Select your fluid, go to attribute editor, size type here 20, here also 20, here 30. Content method, density select dynamic grid, velocity dynamic grid, temperature select also dynamic grid. Dynamic simulation, dam type here 0.026. High detail solve, select all grid. Substeps type here 2. Solver quality type here 155. Click here emit in substeps, select auto resize, click auto resize. Content details, density, buoyancy type here 3.5. Displacement type here 0.78. Gradient force type here 20. Now click play and see the effect. Base resolution make it 50. Again click play and see the effect. Velocity type here swirl 2. Select temperature, type here temperature scale 2.3. Buoyancy 28. Displacement 1.2. Diffusion type here 0.016. Turbulence type here 18. Noise type here 0.21. Lighting, select self shadow, select the fluid emitter 1. Red particle per second type here 500. Fluid method, select no emission. Density emission map, click on this icon and connect the texture which you have created on Photoshop, and also connect the same texture on heat emission map. Heat voxel per second type here 1.7. Fluid drop off make it 0. Fluid emission turbulence, open it, type turbulence 7. Turbulence speed type here 1.2. Turbulence frequency type here 0.85 and also here 0.78. Turbulence detail type here 1.2. Now again go to frame 1, click play and see the effect. Select your fluid 1, go to shading, change the color. Now again go to frame 1, click play and see the effect. Select the fluid, go to field and solver, click gravity, direction type here -1 along z-axis. Go to frame 1, click play and see the effect. Now hide your fire emitter. Again go to frame 1, click play and see the effect and save your scene. Now go to Windows, rendering editor, open render setting. Render using select Maya hardware 2.0. Image format select PNG. Frame animation extension select name.hash.extension. Type here frame 250. In frame preset select HD 1080 pixel. resolution type here 300. Go to Maya hardware 2.0, anti-aliasing, select, click on this two box, select sample count to 16, close your window. Now change FX menu to rendering. Again select your fluid, base resolution, make it 100 or 150. Save your scene. Again click on this icon, resolution gate. Now go to render, click base render. This will take time. When it will complete, I will come back. So I skip the video. Now see, rendering has been completed. Let's jump into our Adobe After Effects. Double click on the project panel and import the PNG sequence. Select PNG sequence, click import. Now move this one down here. Again double click and select this image and import. Move the import down here. Press S to see the scale and scale this one as shown. Now click play and see the effect. See, the fire are burning. Now select your fire layer. Go to effect, video copilot, select video copilot color vibrance. Change the color. To this color. Now vibrance, make it 1.5. Brightness type here 2 and also gamma type here 1.5. Now again click play and see the effect. In this process, you can create 3D fire burning animation with the help of Adobe Photoshop, After Effects and Autodesk Maya 2022. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel.